already. So the first trade we're going to put on this account is going to be Google, and we are going to look at July 14th, which is 42 days out, and we're looking at the probability of the money of one standard deviation out. So on the upside, at 610, 615, and let's just see what that provides us with an 85-cent credit. And then on the downside, we go to probability of the money, and right now it looks like it's 515, but there's not a lot of premium right there. So we're actually going to go, and we're going to go one down, so we're going to be safely within our 16%. We're going to sell the 510 and buy the 505, and so that's going to put us at a $1.40 credit, and this is going to be our first position we're going to try. So we're going to hit confirm and send for Google Iron Condor, and that is off. So this will be our first trade in our $2,500 account, starting our Iron Condors, and we're just going to let that sit there, and we're only going to put this one trade on right now, and see what the effects of that this has on the account, go through theta and delta and what that means. So we're just gonna sit here and let this try to fill. Okay, we're actually gonna put on another trade today. This is gonna be the rut, and we're gonna add go to 1220, which is one standard deviation out, and sell the 1225, and we're gonna try to get an 80-cent credit, or actually we'll just go for a 75-cent credit. And what we're doing here is just a call credit spread. And why we're doing this is because I think that this is going to go down for multiple reasons. We had a huge gap up today, and when gap ups happen, they come back and fill, and it doesn't necessarily have to be anytime soon. However, if we go to our daily chart right here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to close our active trader and stuff. And we're going to go to edit studies, and we're going to add what is called a Bollinger Band. We'll just do a simple moving average. And we're going to go 1.9 and 1.9 and hit OK. And we are outside of this Bollinger Band. And when that happens, it means a snapback. So as you can see, we had a gap up here, and it was out, and then it didn't really snap that much back right here, but it came back up, then snap, and we had one, and then we had snap down to here, snap down to here, and as you can see, it's all still going up, but that snapback is, I mean, it does happen. I mean, this one only snapped back to here, which is halfway between, you know, it did. I mean, it's hard, right? Because I mean, things can slowly happen, or things can happen really fast. So it's just for me that if it keeps going up 2 standard deviations, I mean that's an insane amount, because I already have positions that are underwater in this because it's gone up so much. So we're actually just gonna sell an 80-cent credit, try to get an 80-cent credit here, and that's it. And so we're going to go confirm and send. It's going to actually be max profit of 80, max loss of 420. So the other thing that can happen is if the rut just goes flying down, you know, we can put on another trade. So we're just going to send this one off, and try to get 25% out of that as well. Actually, we'll probably get a little more than 25%, but that's the two trades we're going to be doing. Thank you.